Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you how to fill cells with formulas without formatting in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. For example, we need to calculate the total cost of each fruit and vegetable by multiplying the price by the number. Next we copy this formula down to the entire column by double-clicking on the black cross for autofill. But at the same time, the design of the entire table is violated because when copying, not only the formula is copied, but also the format of the cell from which the formula is taken. To prevent this from happening, you need to use this icon right after copying and select the Fill without formatting option. The formulas have been copied and the design has been saved. However, this icon appears only after copying and must be used immediately. The second way to solve this problem is to select the range to be filled and then enter the formula in the first cell and press not enter but the Ctrl plus enter keyboard combination. The formula will fill all selected cells and their formatting will not be broken. That's it. Now you know a little more, thanks for watching.